This is our trade board on Italian beverage maker Campari, trading as Gruppo Campari, ticker symbol CPR, on the Italiana Borsa Exchange in Milan. In 2017, the maker of Aperol and Campari launched what is likely to be remembered as one of the most effective social branding campaigns of the decade, bringing Instagram fame to the orangey red summer cocktail known as Aperol Spritz. The viral campaign on Aperol and Campari's liquor sales has fueled a 2-year 50% run in Gruppo Campari's stock price. A recent and controversial New York Times article claiming that the Aperol Spritz is not a good drink has done little more than further spark social conversation and interest in the cocktail. Our social analysis leads us to believe that consumer adoption of Aperol and Campari is accelerating year over year, particularly in the US market. We purchased shares of the company on July 2nd at a price of $8.77. The company is next expected to report earnings in early August. This is a medium conviction trade for us.